This is the story of a girl whom everyone loved. But the question was, who will marry him? A young man is said to have said to his father, "I want to marry a girl whom I have seen and whose beauty and charming eyes have mesmerized me." Father smiles happily and replies, "Where's that girl, so that I can ask for his relationship for you?" When they both go to see the girl, the father is also impressed by her beauty and says to his son, "Listen, son, this girl is not worthy of you. You are not worth it. It is for a man who has life experience and can be trusted, like me." The boy is surprised to hear his father and says, "No, I will marry her, not you." Then they both quarrel and go to the police station so that the problem can be solved. When he told his story to the police officer, the officer said, "Call the girl. We ask her who she wants, the son or the father." When the officer saw the girl and was impressed by her beauty, so he said, "It's not fair to either of you. It's for someone important like me." Now the three have a fight, and they go to the minister. Seeing the girl, the minister says, "This girl is fit only for ministers, as I am." In the same way, there was a quarrel between them, and the matter reached the Amir of the city. When Amir saw the girl, so he said, "I solved this problem, bring the girl." Seeing the girl, Amir also said, "She can only marry someone rich like me." Then everyone discussed. So the girl said, "I have a solution. I will run, and you all will run after me. Whoever catches me first, I will become his and marry him." The girl ran, and the five, the youth, the father, the police officer, the minister, and the rich, all ran after her. Suddenly, the five ran and fell into a deep ditch. The girl looks at them from above and says, "Do you know who I am? I am the world. I am the one behind whom every man runs and forgets his hereafter and religion. They are all looking for me, even fall into the grave, and still cannot find me." The story teaches us that it is better to focus on our religion and the hereafter than running after the glitter of the world. Because the world is mortal, and we can never have it completely.
Thanks for watching. Please like and share to your friends.